Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be doing stuff related to Shopify and ChatGPT. If you have not heard of it, does not matter because I will be explaining everything from start till end. Basically, what is Shopify? I will give you an example of couple of e-commerce stores. So basically, if you are not aware of it, it does not matter right now. I will be explaining each and everything from start till end, and I will be explaining it to you how you can earn thousands of dollars per month using this. So basically this is a Shopify store or a store made on Shopify. It is an e-commerce store related to like shoes and like different stuff which people are selling online. Here is another store. There is a different brand from women for men, and this shop is also made using Shopify. And the third one I'm showing to you right now is also made using Shopify. Now what is Shopify? Shopify is basically an online store making technique which is a no code platform. You don't have to code anything, and then you can make anything like this just by drag and drop or like changing stuff in the dashboard, and you can create a website like this. Now what does Shopify have to do with online earning and how you can use it, I will be explaining to you right now. So basically we will go on Fiverr.com, and you can see that here are different options. If I just type Shopify, drop shipping, Shopify or anything like that on Fiverr.com, here are people offering their services. There are a lot of people who are offering different services, right? Now what does Shopify have to do? You do not need to make any store, right? I have also made a series using of Shopify, or you want me to make another latest series for 2023, how you can make your online store without code. I can do that as well. But for now in this video, what I'll be doing is that I will be creating basically, like I'll be explaining how much money you can earn just by offering, like writing product details. Like for example, here's the product. I will like click on it. I will click on men from here, and it's opening. If I click on this one, so basically if you can see here is like a fit or like details. Then here is a separate detail section, different detail section here as well. You can say that there are different like info related to stuff related to each of the stuff or each of jeans, shirts. So what you need to do online on Fiverr is you will be writing the product description, and I will be writing it on using ChatGPT. I will be explaining it to you in a bit. But before that, I'll show you how much money people are earning from this. You can see this person right here is a $6 orders in queue, and this like one of his orders is around 20. Like if I even say 1,000, you can see that he's earning around $6,000. If I like, it is a lot of money, and basically you can even earn it in a week or so. Here's another person, 65 orders in queue. If you can see right here, 65 orders in queue, and even if it's 235, you can multiply it with 65 and you can see how much money they are earning. Same for this one, different like this one as well, and this one as well. Now what we will be doing, people on on Fiverr are offering that they can make a Shopify store. You do not need to make a Shopify store. What you will be doing is you will be writing description for their products. You will be offering your service. You will be making a gig on Fiverr in which you will be telling them that I will write product description or title for your Shopify store products. Like there is hundreds of people who need these services. For example, if I make this store or someone else makes this store, they want the title and description for their products. They won't do it by themselves because it needs to be SEO optimized. And if it's good SEO optimized, it will rank on the Google search engine like on the higher numbers as compared to if it is not SEO optimized. So they will hire you on Fiverr.com. When you will make a gig on Fiverr, like writing, you will be writing that you will write Shopify store description or product description and stuff like that. Now what you need to do is you will go to ChatGPT, and for example, this is the stuff, right? So please write me a title and a small description about a shirt which is gray in color and the brand name is, for example, if I like just simply write Gucci for now, you can write your own brand name. It's a way label in all sizes and is a summer product. So basically, now what ChatGPT do is you need just simply copy it. You will write like paste it. They will give you access to this store. You will paste it. Then you will go back to Shopify, copy it and paste it. This is how simple. Now, for example, if someone wants like you can see, even if you open this or any store, there are like hundreds of thousands of products. So if you like they pay you around $20 per product, you can see I just did it like in a minute, or like even like 1 minute 30 seconds maximum. And you, if there are like hundreds of thousands of products, you can earn a lot of money just by writing description for their products or for their Shopify store. So if you like my idea and you want more series, like I think this is the last video of ChatGPT series, but if in future I find some like more cool stuff in which people can earn a lot of money online, then I'll be uploading it definitely. In the next video I'll be making how you can like make a most optimized gig, and I will show you how it will rank on the first page, even on the first, like this. If you reload Fiverr, you can see that these are the first like 8 services. I will be making a new gig in front of you, and I will be making sure that it comes on the first page, and I will show you how it works. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.